Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Ripple is doing today. So looking at the daily chart, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm using March 13's low to August 17 of 2020's high. That's how I'm coming up with this fibs. That's how I'm coming up with this whole little setup. Now, we had this rally this last few days, which has been great. But I wasn't very sure how long was this rally gonna last, because if you look at my Ethereum Bitcoin video, I mentioned that we might have more of a pullback, and if that's the case, alts are gonna pull back. So that's why I haven't been very committed when it comes to, hey, let's go all in on this position type of thing. So just keep that in mind. I think that we're gonna have a little bit more of a pullback overall, and then that's when things are gonna start rolling. Now, guys, if you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way you're gonna help out the channel reach 7 billion people. I mean, the two guys that train me always said, make sure you train somebody. Here I am with a YouTube channel trying to help everyone in the world make shackles in the crypto market. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. And if you get anything useful out of this video, send one friend to the channel. That way they can make shackles like we're making shackles right now. That being said, guys, let's get back to the charts. So let's try to figure out what we stopped at the 30 cent level. Let's just move this fibs a little bit here and see if we can figure this out. If we move it there, so I think that might be our, let's see, right there. So that is February 15 of 2020 to March 13's low. That's how we're stopping where we are. So we pierced that and we went right back to it. Like, again, guys, I think we can have a lot better opportunity just waiting either for more confirmation or a better, cheaper setup. Because I think realistically is, as the alt market keeps pulling back, this is probably going to drift lower to 25 cents. Definitely the 20-day moving, this is going to be either going in and out of the 20-day moving average, but the 200-day moving average will be right there waiting to catch up all the action. So I think realistically that's where we're gonna head to. And if the 200-day moving average is holding that 61% retracement, and you also have a 20-day moving average, it's like perfect time, to go along, especially if the other indicators are showing that too. Also, if you look, RSI is looking bearish, so something to keep in mind. So I think we definitely have a pullback, and I know nobody wants to hear that, but that's usually how it goes. And it's funny because every time I get a dislike on the videos, it's usually those are the ones that are always right on point. So those are the ones that make me laugh, and because everyone checks that out, and I like to look at that. And I usually look at the price action right after I get a dislike, and funny because it turns out right on point. So that being said, guys, unless we break 34 cents, if we break 34 cents some way, somehow, then definitely gonna go heavy on I call it the second position, because I have a very long-term position on Ripple. Very long-term. I have a couple of shackles there, a few shackles. And I have the other one that it's more like short term. So if we break 34 cents, and then this is going to be like a bigger inverted head and shoulders, and that's going to rally hard. Yeah, with a target of freaking like 58 cents or so. So we definitely have some room to make some shackles here. So like I said, we're waiting on a pullback. I don't think we're gonna rally to 34 cents right now, unless something changes substantially in the crypto market and everything goes ballistic. I don't think we're gonna get there. By the way, guys, you guys requested a chat. We deliver. We actually split it up into two. We got the light version. That one would just be technical analysis only. If you need more help than that, if you need more help than the YouTube channel and the technical analysis, we have the pro version. The pro version, we're gonna post setups there. We're posting setups and also the technical analysis. And you have myself. I will be holding your hand at all times in the pro setup. So just keep that in mind. It is a paid chat, so if you want me to hold your hand, it's gonna cost you. But if you need more training, look at it like tuition. So I'm going to put it down in the description below, Easy Crypto Pro. Also go and check out my Instagram, forexcapital.ca, and then check out our Twitter account, forexcapital3 too. And so let's just do a little bit of a recap. There's not much on this video. I wanted to keep it short. We're probably going to have a pullback to 25 cents. This is looking bearish. This candles, I typically like evening stars, morning stars, dark cloud, piercing lines. Those are my 4 favorite candles. That's what I based everything on. And then the spinning tops or so to tell me indecision. This doesn't look like any of them. I mean, I could say this is our dark cloud, but it's looking a little bit effy. So this looks like I said, it's going to pull back to, to 25 cents. I don't see this breaking 34 cents right at this moment, and that will be perfect because you'll have the 200-day moving average right there, and then we can start looking for price actions to tell us to go long. So if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.